welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hailie, and today I'm going to be sharing my everyday hair tutorial. This is probably one of my most requested videos. I get asked to do this video all the time, which is so very sweet and insane to me because I don't feel like I do my hair well. I didn't really learn how to curl my hair until like just barely 2 years ago, so it has been a journey, let me tell you. But this is like my everyday look. I very rarely, you guys know if you follow me, wear my hair like down and straight. It is pretty much always curled. This is just my go-to. It's very easy and super simple to recreate. So I hope that you guys enjoy today's tutorial. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But if you want to learn how I get this little wavy sort of look, keep on watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into things. I don't normally blow dry my hair before I curl it, but today I decided to start with like an even base because when I let my hair air dry, it is very wavy, very crazy. So I wanted to kind of tame it a little bit for today's video so you guys can get a better look at everything. Before I even get started, I'm gonna go in with the Wavy Glossing Detangler. This is from Jennifer Aniston's new brand. I kind of talked about this in a recent weekly vlog. I have been loving this product so far, you guys. This works as a primer with a thermal shield, which is super important before going in with any heat tools. It also enhances shine, smooths your hair, and protects against damage. So I've really been enjoying this product, but before that I was just using good old Tresemme. This is the heat shield or heat tamer. It protects against heat damage, and this is a really great affordable product as well. So I'm just gonna go through and just kind of saturate my hair, make sure it is nice and coated. I don't spray any product like directly on the root. I feel like sometimes it can make it look a little bit greasy, or my hair starts to get greasier sooner. But anyways, I'm just going to kind of brush that out. This stuff makes my hair smell so good. And I have what my hairstylist likes to call thin, thick hair. It doesn't look like it would be very thick, but I have so much hair, so I have to section it off. I usually do like 3 to 4 sections, especially when my hair is air dried, because the waves that it like naturally curls into is so insane. So today I am going to just section it off with a little claw clip. Definitely a look. So for styling tools, this one is my Ride or Die. I'll link the exact one that I have in the description box, but this is from T3. It has like a little tapered wand. This one is actually like interchangeable. It comes off, you can switch it out. It's really cool. I've had this for 4 or 5 years now, and it has never let me down. It is such a good one. I will say it is a little bit on the pricier side, but I think that T3 is such a good brand. It's definitely worth it in my opinion, but as long as you have something with like a tapered sort of wand like this, you're good to go. Start off by grabbing like 1 inch or 2 section and just kind of wrap it around the wand and gradually bring it up just a few inches like this. I only hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds, depending how hot the wand is and like what kind of style I'm going for today. And then I just kind of let it go, and it gives me a super curly little curl like this. So cute. Gives you what I like to call middle school curls, because I would literally just go to class with my hair just like this, not brushed out, just vibes. And I think it's really funny, but I just kind of leave them alone until I'm done curling the entirety of my head, and then I'll go back and spray them first with hairspray and then brush them out. I'm just going to continue this around the rest of my head. This process usually takes me forever, so I like to put on a podcast while I curl my hair. Today we're listening to Morbid True Crime podcast. This is one of my favorites.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime.
I forgot to mention it, but when I curl my hair, I curl downwards like this. So the wand is facing down, and then when I release the curl, it just kind of like falls right into my hand. So once I'm finished with this section of hair, before I even move on to the next one, I like to go in and spray it. I don't touch it. I let it look a little crazy. This is the Kevin Murphy Do-Over Dry Powder Finishing Hairspray, and I just kind of give everything a once over before I move on to the next section. just repeat the same exact thing for the next section.
From 10 to 6 a.m. and no one knows how to start them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly.
So this is what my hair looks like once I finish curling all of it. I know it looks a little crazy. I did leave my bangs out. I don't normally curl them. They have a little zhuzh going on because I blow dried them with like my little, it's like one of those hair dryer brushes, I don't know, this thing. So it gave me like a little semi blowout swoopy thing. I really like it. Anyways, I never really curl my bangs with this. I'm actually about to go in with my straightener. So usually I do my hair before my makeup and then I let my hair set while I do my makeup, so it kind of has time to just kind of rest almost. And then I'll go back in and brush it out and finish it up. Obviously today I already have my full face on, so we're just gonna get into it. The next step is the most important, and I actually learned this little trick from my hairstylist and it has changed me forever. I first brush out all of those curls, kind of like prom hair vibes, you know? Once it's brushed out, it kind of has like a little Hollywood glam sort of vibe, but we want to tone it down a little bit and give it more of like a wavy, effortless sort of look. So I just take my straightener and I straighten out the ends. This, I think, just makes a huge difference in the overall style of the curl. Of course, I just think it looks so much better than like this super curly, tight sort of look. And you see like this big chunky curl right here. I kind of just go in and straighten this out a little bit as well. Not fully, like you don't want to actually straighten your hair, but just kind of tone it down a little bit. Side by side, here's the difference. I just feel like this side looks a little bit more relaxed and just so cute and effortless. I love this style so much. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing to this side. I always think it's kind of a little bit ironic, the amount of effort that goes into looking effortless. Once I'm satisfied with how the curls look, I go in with a little bit of hair oil. This is the Hydra Pearl Oil from Pravana. I really love this one. This is my second bottle, and a little bit goes a long way. And I just like to kind of keep this towards my tips. I don't bring it up to my roots or anything. It gives me a little bit of shine, like brings some life back into my hair. My hair is always like very flat to my head, so I always go in with this little texture spray from Wavy. This is just the texturizing hairspray, and I just kind of take it right at the root, spray it. I'm pretty generous with this product. And then I just kind of rub it in and push my hair up. And I can't do it right now because I'm sitting, but I usually like to bend over and like spray the texture spray like on the back of my head and then like flip my hair back, and then I feel like it looks really big and voluminous. And here is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I'm going to link everything that I used today in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye!